Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to switch between demo and live account on IC markets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is open or log in your account on IC markets website, and after that um if you still don't have a live account, you can start your application. So if a new user of this platform, so just fill up the form and put some data on there and just submit your application, and you will receive a confirmation email. They'll send you an email for okay. So for me, I already have a live accounts here, so this one. So what we're gonna do is okay, I'm going to go to the downloads in order to use this. Okay, so go to the web tab. So I'm going to use MetaTrader 5, and this would be the not the demo one but the live one. Goes to the continue with MT5. So in accounts, okay, so let's go to the accounts and live accounts. This would be my email. Okay, so this would be my email and my password. Okay, just have to tap or enter. Okay, so if you don't know what's your password, okay, and just connect to account. So that's it, guys. I hope you okay. I cannot log in because I still don't have or don't know my password. So I hope you learn or enjoy with this quick tutorial. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets Global website. Thank you.